I'm never gonna be able to afford my own place. Home's not that bad. It's a zoo, Mariam.
From working in Google as an engineer to working in TV shows, what brought about this change? Is it a passion of yours?
Yeah, I think acting मेरा हमेशा से passion था, and then along the way मुझे समझ आई कि writing, directing, creating is a passion. I'm an artist. मगर I think हम लोगों की society में इतना आसान नहीं होता किसी को भी समझना कि वो इंसान artist है, especially जब हम लोग को इतना कहा जाता है कि पढ़ाई करो, कुछ बनो.
What makes Americanish different from every other immigrant rom-com story?
I don't think I've ever seen one. I think, well, first of all, ये जब हम लोगों ने फिल्म निकाली तो बहुत सारे प्रेस इस चीज़ के बारे में आई अमेरिका में कि ये पहली दफ़ा मुसलमान औरतों ने रोम कॉम लिखी है और मुसलमान औरतों के बारे में यानी अमेरिका में, क्योंकि ऐसी फिल्म कभी अमेरिका में नहीं बनी इससे पहले.
You've been known for breaking stereotypes. What is that one stereotype that you enjoyed shattering?
मेरा ख्याल है अर्ली ऑन जब मैंने ये अमेरिकनिश एक स्टेज प्ले से बनी है जो एक वन वुमन शो है जो मैंने किया था, और उससे सबसे ज़्यादा फैसिनेटिंग चीज़ ये थी कि उसमें एक यंग गर्ल कैरेक्टर दिखाया है जो हिजाब पहनती है एज पार्ट ऑफ हर एक्टिविज्म एंड हर आइडेंटिटी. एंड आई थिंक इन अमेरिका पीपल वर लाइक ये क्या है बिकॉज दे हैव उनको लगता है कि हिजाब के सर्टन कॉनोटेशंस हैं, राइट, जो बहुत नेगेटिव हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट वाज फॉर मी प्रॉब्ली द बिगेस्ट stereotype.
Listen to Justin Timberlake. I'm almost 21 years old. Next year, who will want to marry me?
What is that one thing in Dirty Pocky Laundry that you were scared to write and scared to say on screen?
All of it. 100% all of it, yeah.
In Muslim Girls DTF, you mix comedy with faith. Now, these are very sensitive topics to tackle. How did you do it?
Yeah, so Muslim Girls DTF मैंने बनाया है मेरी क्रिएटिव पार्टनर के साथ. वो एक्चुअली फ़लस्तीनी हैं और अमेरिका से हैं, मगर उनके पेरेंट्स फ़लस्तीन से. उन्होंने काफ़ी वक्त वहाँ पे गुजारा है बचपन में, बैक एंड फोर्थ बिटवीन द US एंड पैलेस्टाइन. एंड या आई थिंक हम लोग बस एक दिन बैठे वैसी बातें कर रहे थे. हम लोगों ने कहा कि लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि मुसलमान औरतें बहुत उनकी सोच, उनकी रिलीजन का सेंस, एवरीथिंग it varies, right, person to person and culture to culture. So we were just like, well, how fun would it be if we just got like different types of Muslim women together and just had them ask them some basic questions about, like, what do you like to eat, what kind of sense of humor, all those kinds of things, or do you date, do you not date, just basic things, right? So, and we got such different answers from just doing that first sort of project कि हम लोगों ने कहा चलो अब इसको और आगे बढ़ाओ, and it just kind of grew from there. I mean, हम लोगों ने ये project 2017 में शुरू किया था. Yeah, and so it's still going on in different format.
You've acted in both the US and Pakistan. What do you think is so different about working in both the industries?
Yeah, मैंने मतहजान में काम किया था मगर वो न्यूयॉर्क में शूट हुई थी. Yeah, it's on Hum, but it was shot in New York. And I think one of the things that's really great for me is, more recently I did another thing for Green TV. What was a lot of fun was कि सारा dialogue उर्दू में करना. It's बहुत different है क्योंकि I don't get that opportunity.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें.
हम लोग अमेरिका में कोई ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं शूट करा जहाँ पे उर्दू में कोई भी डायलॉग हो या सारा डायलॉग उर्दू में हो. So that's always a lot of fun. And honestly felt like it's like a family and a homecoming working on that show. Yeah.
What is that one thing that you think that the West still gets wrong about South Asian and Muslim women?
I think that I say this all the time, that we're not a monolith, right? I think that's the biggest thing. The portrayals we see of Muslim women in the West are always one way. It's always some like abused, battered, whatever, and I'm like, that's not the whole, that exists everywhere, right? That exists in America, that exists in Europe, that exists everywhere. So that kind of nuance.
Now that Americanish has hit the screens, what reactions have surprised you the most?
I had actually a Pakistani auntie ne mujhe kaha ke, gosh, she was like, after watching it, she was like, my older sister had it really hard and I never understood it until I watched the film. Yeah, it was really sweet and like a much older lady to be able to like relate to the characters. And the other thing is, I think the intergenerational conversation. कि हमारे पेरेंट्स की जनरेशन और जो यंगर जनरेशन है वो उनकी जो इन कॉन्वर्सेशन उनके दरमियान जो है it's एक ये फिल्म आपको एक ज़रिया देती है बहुत सारी इन चीज़ों के बारे में सोचने का और to have a conversation around those things. And I think that's been probably the biggest surprise.
Blood work confirms there was mifepristone and misoprostol in Becca's system.
So speaking of your roles in the US and the TV series that you choose, do you choose them or the script comes to you? What happens?
Yeah, I mean, America में तो पूरी audition process है, right? Yeah, so you audition and then with a lot of other people and then maybe you get a call back. फिर आप directors या producers से मिलते हैं, दोबारा से audition देते हैं एक नई तरीके से और फिर maybe कोई और आपकी tapes को check करता है, फिर वो आपको बताते हैं, did you get it, did you not get it? Yeah, and honestly, it's like or फिर next audition, you're starting from scratch. It's a tough market and it's gotten tougher because right now, you know, I don't know if you know, but there were a bunch of strikes. And so हम लोग काफ़ी अरसे से industry shut down थी. अब COVID के बाद, फिर उसके बाद 2 strikes हुई, फिर उसके बाद अब भी industry काफ़ी shrink हो गई है. It's like a very different world, so.
When you were choosing this career path, did you think what log kya kahenge? Or were you questioned? Is your family proud of you? What are their reactions to your career success?
You know, I think honestly, my parents are super proud because now they see that there's a way to make, you can make money at doing this, right? I think the fear of that, like log kya kahenge, it more comes from the instability, right? कि अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है, आपकी फैमिली में कभी किसी ने किया ही नहीं है, तो ये कैसे होगा? और इसमें क्या क्योंकि अगर आप देखिए आप डॉक्टर बने, लॉयर बने, फाइनेंस में जाएं, जो भी है, it's a very stable career. ठीक है ना? Eventually you know you're gonna make money. But in terms of like acting, directing, filmmaking, आपको नहीं पता भाई कि आज क्या कैसे पैसे आएंगे, कहाँ से कोई जॉब मिलेगी. Yeah, and I think once you show them that it's a possible viable path, I mean most reasonable people are on board. So